Just looking for that bird. Oh! No.
What's his name?
He doesn't have a name. We've not spoken yet. Unspoken agreement between us, though. He's always waiting in the garden when I come home. Hope he's alright. My one worry is that he's been eaten by a cat or an urban fox.
Do you look for the bird often?
Most days, when I'm in the living room. He's usually already there though, so a bit weird. I don't think he likes you.
Because I've got a camera.
No, I just don't think he likes you.
No.
Probably sees you as a threat. I was looking at a website yesterday, it's called Murder Map. It shows you where all the murders in London have happened. There's been like 4 stabbings along this road. Did you know that?
No.
No. And several other types of murder as well. A lot of gang-related stuff down that way. I think the bird's not been caught up in it.